For daily hacks on a human body, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 foods that can help you quickly gain weight and muscle. Whether you're looking to bulk up for a sport or just want to add some muscle mass, these foods will definitely help you achieve your goals. It's important to mention that the food alone is not enough. You should also include regular exercise and to consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or exercise routine. So, let's get started. Food 1, the first food on our list is eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein, which is essential for building muscle. They also contain healthy fats and are easy to prepare. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein and 5 grams of fat, including 1.5 grams of saturated fat. Eggs are also a good source of vitamins and minerals such as vitamin D, vitamin B12, and choline. Try having scrambled eggs for breakfast or an omelette for lunch to get in some extra protein. Food 2, next up is lean meats like chicken and turkey. These meats are packed with protein and also contain essential amino acids that are needed for muscle growth. A 3-ounce serving of chicken breast contains about 27 grams of protein and 3 grams of fat. Turkey breast is also a good source of protein, with about 26 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving. Try grilling or baking chicken or turkey breast to make a delicious and healthy muscle-building meal. Food 3, third on our list is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and also contains carbohydrates that will help you quickly gain weight. A 6-ounce serving of plain Greek yogurt contains about 15 to 20 grams of protein and around 12 grams of carbohydrates. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. Try having a bowl of Greek yogurt with some fruit and honey for a tasty and nutritious snack. Food 4, number 4 on our list is quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that is high in protein and carbohydrates. It's also a great source of fiber, which will keep you feeling full and satisfied. A 1-cup serving of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein and 39 grams of carbohydrates. Quinoa is also a good source of magnesium, manganese, and phosphorus. Try having quinoa as a side dish or mixing it with vegetables and lean protein for a complete meal. Food 5, last but not least is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in carbohydrates and contain essential vitamins and minerals. They're also a great source of fiber and are easy to prepare. A medium sweet potato contains about 3 grams of protein, 2 grams of fiber, and 27 grams of carbohydrates. Sweet potatoes are also a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. Try baking or grilling sweet potatoes as a side dish, or add them to your morning smoothie. So, there you have it, the top 5 foods to eat to quickly gain weight and muscle. Remember, it's important to also include regular exercise, a healthy diet, and consult with a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or exercise routine. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in our next video.